intended for developers in C# plus SQL plus Razor/HTML. This is a big picture/technically detailed video series, both to be viewed in order of a post-production point of two fictitious websites. 1. PC Store Web Shop Project. 2. MVC Book Kiosk Project. The first one is a 20-segment presentation offering an inside look into a fully functional online web store, plus a shopping cart, plus a virtual credit line, and nearly all of the aspects involved while making a purchase there. An extra focus, from a developer's point of view, has been put on doing things Windows/desktop application style, instead of relying on the easy template-based way in order to focus on code-wise how it's done. The second one is only a 2-segment presentation describing an MVC-style project, which is a software system to be installed on browsing kiosks posted around at a real-world bookstore. The topics covered here include explanations on what MVC design pattern is and how URL routing works, all condensed into an 8-minute demonstration that's covering both theory and practical applications, where the coding efforts in here have been made to do things the cool and correct way. These video series have been made with 3 types of audiences in mind. 1. Fanatic developers, those who dream about bits and bytes, obsessed with minute details, inline documentation, code cleanliness, function reusability, and how it all comes together. 2. Instructors and trainers, those who teach web development and are looking for ways to organize technically complex concepts into easy-to-understand materials. 3. Ordinary people, those who are common Joe characters, curious about the nuts and bolts. Also, corporate clients, such as technically oriented online store buyers who are comfortable with jargon terms to an extent, for example, database, redirect, etc., who are looking for a good working model to be able to build extra features on top of. So, how is this going to work? What should we expect? 1. Various segments may go back and forth between covering general topics and going into detail in order to help viewers understand different aspects of things. 2. American accent narration is being spoken throughout each segment for viewers to follow along. 3. Subtitles in English are presented as well for extra convenience. 4. Callouts, arrows, zoom-ins, balloons, and in-picture excerpts have all been positioned throughout the segments in order to help make complex concepts simpler and easier to grasp. 5. Well-commented, highly organized code sections appear where necessary. 6. Simple and clean user interface examples are also included. Following is a quick preview of some of the topics covered on the various segments. On site number 1, PC Store Web Shop Project. Segment number 1 includes 1. Web Shop System Feature Description. 2. Developers Quick Start Pointers. Segment number 2 includes 1. The Product Page. Item Selection Listing. 2. Developers Insight. Code plus Database plus User Interface. Segment number 3 includes 1. The Product Page. Item Selection Practices. 2. Item Detail Display. Segment number 4 includes 1. Shopping Cart Feature Review plus Explanations. 2. Action Link number 1 of 2. Degrees having 2 different behaviors according to conditions. Segment number 5 includes 1. Developer's Insight. Add to cart. 2. Function. DB. Table. Shopping cart. Assemble. Segment number 6 includes 1. Developer's Insight. 2 different behaviors for action link of degrees. 2. Function. DB. Table. Shopping cart. Shrink. Segments number 7 and 8 include 1. Database. Where items go while shopping. 2. Database. Reviewing pending orders database table. Segment number 9 includes 1. Credit line access. Attempting a purchase. 2. Developer's insight. Checking out attempt. Segment number 10 includes 1. Login. Existing user number 1 of 2. User 23. 2. Developer glimpse. Save base page. Segment number 11 includes database. One-way hash function plus illustrations. Segment number 12 includes 1. Developer's insight. Logging in. 2. Function. DB, table, members, will log, in or out. Segment number 13 includes 1. Developer glimpse. Base page. Post return check, plus duties. 2. Restore item selections. Segment number 14 includes 1. Developer's insight. Checking out attempt. 2. Credit line tips. Segment number 15 includes 1. User mode. Purchase history page. 2. Database. Reviewing transactions database table. Segment number 16 includes user mode plus developer's insight. Logging out. Segment number 17 includes 1. Logged in user. Session ID value. 2. Credit line availability. Full. Segment number 18 includes 1. Developer's insight. Checking out attempt. 2. Credit line update. Segment number 19 includes 1. User mode. Transaction complete. 2. Animation. Data row moving. Segment number 20 includes 1. User mode. Hacking attempt plus illustrations. 2. Developer's insight. Hacker prevention. On-site number 2, MVC Book Kiosk Project. Segment number 1 includes 1. MVC Book Kiosk Feature Description. 2. MVC. Diagram plus explanation plus code. Segment number 2 includes 1. User mode. Homepage feature review. 2. URL routing. Diagram plus examples plus code. Okay. We're ready. Next, we should start with the video series of site number 1, followed by that of site number 2, in order to gain all previously mentioned benefits. Happy coding!